The old D20, after replacing the tracks, does a fine job of grading. She's within a tenth, high or low. And if I remember right, this is the way that a slope is supposed to be put in. That'll be for the driveway going in and out of the shed. Then on the outside, when I finish cutting the other slope, we'll riprap that, put some rock on it and dress it up nice going in front of the shed. But like I said, some will argue with me, but I find this to be the correct way to put a slope in. And I had the right machine. Little feller, she's doing good. Good job.